I bought this 1500 kilo industrial CNC machine. But inside was covered with 30-year-old of nasty grime. So I stripped out the ancient electronics and steam cleaned the entire cabinet. Watch this. Instead of guessing, I 3D scanned the empty cabinet to perfectly fit the electronics and these modern 1.5 kilowatt servo motors.
Hey guys, for those following my retrofit of my Kitamura from 1992, I've just received my Delta servos, followed the instructions.
It's finally coming back to life. See the full retrofit process in the video below.